A house burns. A shop gets vandalized. Anger spreads. People take to the streets. And once again, the blame falls on the immigrants. But I want to ask a different question. Are we angry at the wrong people? Because before someone arrives in Belfast, or Dublin, or London, or Paris, they had a life somewhere else. A home, a family, a language, a culture, a place they belonged. And the uncomfortable truth is, very few people willingly leave everything behind. Most leave because of the circumstances push them. War, violence, political instability, economic collapse, persecution, fear, and for generations, human beings have been moved because of forces bigger than themselves. When the bomb falls, people run. When societies collapse, people run. When they believe their children have no future, people run. What would you do? Would you stay? Or did you want to protect your family? None of this means immigration doesn't create challenges. Of course it does. Services are overwhelmed. Communities feel pressure. People worry about the change. The concerns are real. But burning someone's house will not stop a war. Attacking a family will not solve the houses crisis. Harassing people who arrived yesterday will not fix decisions made over decades. Because if we want solutions, we have to look deeper than the nearest target. We have to ask difficult questions. Why do conflicts continue? Why do leaders keep making decisions that ordinary people pay for? Why do the consequences always seems to land on communities, while those in power remain far from the damage? Anger is understandable, but anger without direction is just destruction. And perhaps the greatest tragedy is when ordinary people fight ordinary people, while the real causes remain untouched. Because most of us want the same thing: dignity, safety, a future for the children, a place to call home. Maybe the question is not how do we fight each other. Maybe the question is, how do we stop creating the conditions that force people to flee in the first place? Because nobody dreams of becoming a refugee. Nobody dreams of leaving everything behind. People live when circumstances leave them no choice. If today's video made you stop for a moment, if it challenged the way you think, or helped you see life from a different perspective. And I love you to be part of the journey. Subscribe to Chromatic Views so you don't miss the next conversations. We'll explore life from every angle: human behavior, psychology, history, science. And we're gonna try to answer the questions that rarely have simple answers. If you believe someone else would be interested in this conversation, share it. And whether you agree with me or totally disagree, leave a comment. Because this channel it's all about that, of seeing life from different perspectives. So until next time, keep asking questions, keep thinking. I never stop looking at the life from different angles. And remember, the way you look at life changes the life you see. This is Chromatic Views. Until next time.